Hello, thanks again. I'm Justin with PlumbSmart. This is Trane's XR14. It's a 14 SEER condenser. This has an estimated energy savings of up to 40%, which leads it to the best value for Trane. So one of Trane's best values is this 14 SEER system as far as energy savings and the price point. Minimum in the Southwest is 14 SEER efficient. So this will get you cooling and saving you money. All right, again, the Trane 14 SEER has a manufacturer warranty of 10 years compressor, 10-year coil, both indoor and outdoor coils, and all parts are warranted for 10 years through Trane manufacturing. The 14 SEER system is definitely quieter than what you may have at your home now, depending on age. It is an upgrade. It is energy saving, like I said. It's a great system, and at that price point, very, very good value. Ground up, same features with Trane. The 14 has the composite base, the True Tough paint on here to keep the unit looking as good as it can. DuraTough compressors. The outdoor fan motor is a soft start fan motor, so that way you reduce less parts in the unit itself and lower energy costs. Anything that is soft start reduces that energy cost. They are manufactured in Tyler, Texas. The coils, the cabinets, everything that's on here as all Trane equipment. As far as their split equipment, heat pumps or gas are made in Tyler, Texas. All systems go through what they call the torture chamber. So they will go from 120 degrees down to -30 within 2 days. They put all Trane equipment through the same process before they get released to market, typically 2 years on testing. So this model was put through the torture chamber for 2 years before release to the public. Again, Justin with PlumbSmart, plumbing, heating, and air conditioning. Phone number for here is 480-654-8865. Again, if you have any questions, you can call or come to the showroom at 3010 East Main Street in Mesa, Arizona. Valley-wide service, so that's Phoenix, Cave Creek, Scottsdale, Tempe, Gilbert, Chandler. Valley-wide service, maintenance, installation, and thank you for watching this video.